So normal G chord, a lot of people play like this or they play like this. But we're going to play the strong G, which is the G chord. We're going to add this little string right there. So we're going to take both our pinky and our ring finger, set it right there in the 3rd fret. Now remember, I've got the capo on the 2nd fret. This is because that's how Josh plays it in his song. You can take that off, but I just had it there because that's how he plays it on his video, so you can play it along with the video. So you put those 2 fingers on there, and that's what I call the strong G. It's with all 4 fingers, strong G. And then the C9, typically a C9 is played like this. You drop these 2 fingers that you have on the G for the G chord, and you just drop them down a string right there. So you just drop those 2 fingers, each of them down 1 string. And then all you would do normally on a C9 is just pick up your pinky off the strong G, and there's a C9. But he keeps that strong G formation with these 2 drone strings. These 2 strings always get played for the first 3 chords. So on the G, on the C9, and then he plays an E minor 7, so an E minor is right here. So you're going from a C9 like this to an E minor like that with those top 2 fingers. And again, these 2 fingers always remain on. Okay, down here on the drone. So you're going to play the G, C9, and then you're just going to switch those 2 fingers right here to the E minor 7. So E minor 7 would be here, typical E minor 7, but he's adding the G right in there to make it a kind of an E minor 7 with this extra added G on top. And then finally he goes to D, which is just a standard D. But what I do is I play the Eric Clapton D, where I add the F sharp on the bottom with my thumb. Right there. So when I come around, I go G, C9, E minor 7, and then I go D. And what it does is kind of gives this nice note on the bass. So it goes on the bass line. So G, C9, E minor 7, and then when you hit that D, there's your bass F sharp, as you know as a bass player. So